This is Spatialox, a team built at the intersection of the field and the map. We're developers, digital strategists, geospatial experts. For more than 9 years, we've helped businesses across urban planning, energy, construction, and environmental science turn raw spatial data into decisions they can stand behind. It starts on the ground. Our field team works every terrain, energy sites, urban land, infrastructure corridors, capturing data with the same discipline whether it's a 5-acre plot or a province-wide survey. Then it comes back here, where field data becomes finished intelligence. GIS mapping, cartography, 3D reality capture, remote sensing, processed with the same rigor our clients expect from the field. Behind every project is a team that works closely in the field, in the office, and everywhere in between. The kind of team that celebrates a finished project together, not just delivers it. Every map we deliver represents ground someone will build on, plan around, or make a decision from. That's not just our work, it's our responsibility. And it's why we take it seriously every single time. If you'd like to see what we could map for you, let's talk.